How you doing? I'd like to welcome you to our virtual back to school night. My name is Matt Collins. I'm your pre-calculus teacher. I'm actually here in on the deck of my backyard because this is where I've been doing my teaching this year, at least on the good weather days. My daughter Kelsey is inside right now. She's a fourth grader at Candlebrook, so she's also learning virtually. So it's actually helpful for me to get outside. And I'm hoping I keep telling the students I'm hoping to keep this going till Christmas, but I don't know. The mornings are getting awfully cold around here. So by way of introduction, I've been a teacher at Upper Merion for 22 years now. This is actually my 25th year of teaching high school math overall. I'm a product of St. Joseph's University. The motto there is the hawk will never die. Unfortunately, and just between us, the hawk dies every year that we play Villanova in basketball. But hopefully that we can get better at that. I'm your neighbor. Like I said, I live here in Upper Merion. I moved here a couple of years ago. I live right up near the township building. In fact, most school days I walk to school, and I continue. I hope to do that again soon when we get through this pandemic. Um, I'm I've become one of the older teachers here. I don't know how that happened, but I keep coming back because the kids keep me young. I can't really imagine doing anything else for a living. This is my passion. And, teaching through the little Brady Bunch screen is not the easiest thing in the world. I'm getting through it. I hope your kids are doing okay. I'm a parent as well, so I'm the first to recognize this isn't ideal, and I'd love to get back in there. Anyway, I'm here to help you any way I can. I'm always available by email. If you'd like a meeting, we could set it up over the phone, but this Zoom thing seems to work just as well, so we could do that too. So send me an email if you have any concerns. Other than that, I'm here for you. Looking forward to a great year, and like I said, I hope we're back some point this winter. We're back in the building. Okay, take care. Bye bye.